day by day, every day, in every way, I'm getting better. So, talk about Daymond John, right? The way he got to where he is today, and like his story. If you look at his path and his ability to have vision, his ability to get one idea off the ground, make some money from there, and then meet people and just keep grinding and moving up and building more and more clothing lines and relationships, right? So it's like anything, you got to get to those key relationships, and people help people, right? People help people to open up doors and introduce to other people. So it's always about basically, being honest, being focused, being clear, and having that clarity, that vision. And what Daymond John figured out, man, is that pattern of thinking clearly, staying focused, having the vision and the mindset and the belief and the hunger to win. And so we could all do it. It's a matter of changing our mind and just doing it, right? It's a matter of just changing our mind and doing the damn thing. So, I'm no different. You know different yourself. I mean, it's a matter of just taking the time that God give us and looking at, okay, I just want to get 2 things done today. What are those 2 things, right? And focus on that and get it done. Put the right energy, put the right time into it, and create that a stepping stone forward. The goal is we should be getting better every day, right? So there's a saying. It says, day by day, every day, in every way, I'm getting better. So day by day, every day, in every way, I'm getting better. So if you say that to yourself 30, 40 times a day, right? And then you believe in things already being done. Like, hey, I am doing this. I am a public speaker. I am a real estate investor. I am a husband. I am a wife. Just think about things already being done in the past tense. The universe, brings these things to you. You know what I'm saying? That makes sense. So even in the book, the holy book, it talks about, even Jesus talks about, you gotta believe, you gotta have hope, you gotta have faith, right? You gotta see the unseen, right? You gotta see the possibility, but you gotta take action, right? You gotta take